Carpentry is a craft that teaches us the value of hard work, dedication, and attention to detail. It's amazing how a skilled carpenter can take a raw piece of wood and turn it into a functional work of art. I'm constantly inspired by the creativity and ingenuity of carpenters. They are able to take something as simple as a piece of wood and turn it into a masterpiece. Grab 16,000 woodworking plans today. You can get instant access to over 16,000 woodworking projects in the next 5 minutes or less. Ted has spent years putting together Earth's largest collection of woodworking plans. I'm talking about 16,000 done-for-you plans with step-by-step instructions, photos and diagrams to make every project laughably easy. And the best part is, it doesn't matter if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click on the link of the first comment and get it now. One of the things I love most about carpentry is that it requires patience and attention to detail. Every knot, grain, and imperfection tells a tale about the life of the tree and the journey of the wood. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner, there's always room to improve your skills. By creating handmade pieces that are built to last, we can create a more sustainable and meaningful future. Working with wood is not just about creating something beautiful. Carpentry is not just about building things, It's about problem solving and finding creative solutions to design challenges. Working with wood is not just a skill, it's an art form that requires a deep understanding of the material and an eye for design. One of the great things about woodworking is the sense of community that comes from sharing techniques and knowledge with other craftsmen. Carpentry is a craft that transcends borders and cultures. It's a universal language that speaks to the beauty of nature and the power of human creativity. The beauty of woodworking is that it's a craft that can be passed down from generation to generation, preserving family traditions and creating new memories. Working with wood is a reminder of our connection to the natural world and the importance of sustainable practices.